Learn the use of ga-bite. Ga-bite means go borrow as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb ga-bite in our sentences now. Remember, when you hear ga, ga, it means a command. We use ga to give command or instructions. Let us see it in sentences. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Ugomma ga-bite ego ugbua. Ugomma ga-bite ego ugbua. Meaning, Ugomma, go borrow money now. Ga-bite otu akpa ego. Ga-bite otu akpa ego. Meaning, go borrow 200 naira. Ga-bite na nke Maazị Okafor. Ga-bite na nke Maazị Okafor. Meaning, go borrow from Maazị Okafor. Gaa n'ụlọ akụ bite ya. Gaa n'ụlọ akụ bite ya. Meaning, go to the bank and borrow it. Biko ga-bite. Biko ga-bite. Meaning, please go borrow. Have you now seen that ga-bite means go borrow in English? It is our verb. We use it to give instructions or command, like here. We use it to give command to Ugomma to go and borrow now, and also the amount she should borrow, and also where to borrow from. So we use the same color marker to identify same words. Like here, you have money. See it here in Igbo, ego. You have ugbua, now. We are doing these sentences to help you and guide you on how to make Igbo sentences that you can use a particular thing and make up to 10 sentences. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel.